Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. I'm your English teacher. Open your English workbook, page number 7. In our previous lecture, we did exercise A. So today we are going to do exercise B. Question is, match the names in the boxes with the pictures on the next page. So here we have some words and now we are going to write these words under the correct picture. So the first one is done. Here is a picture of a vegetable and this is onion. O-N-I-O-N. Next we have another vegetable. Let's find out its name. Here is the name of this vegetable, turnip. So you have to write spellings of turnip over here. Spelling is T-U-R-N-I-P. Next we have another picture and this is a purse. So you have to find out spelling of purse over here. Here's purse. So you have to write its spellings under this picture. P-U-R-S-E. Next we have an egg. So you have to find out egg. Over here, here is egg and you have to write these spellings over here. E-double-G. Next is a cat. So you have to write cat over here, but first you have to take the word cat and write down under this picture. C-A-T. Next picture is a sparrow. So you have to write sparrow under this picture, but first you have to take word sparrow here. So write down spelling of sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Next picture is, these are balloons. You can see here. Now you have to find out spellings of balloons on page number 7. Here we have spellings of balloons. So you have to write the spelling here. B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S. Next we have a picture of an animal. Here is an animal and we call it cow. So you have to find out spelling of cow. Over here, take it and now you have to write it. Spellings of cow, C-O-W. Next we have another animal, hen. You have to write hen over here, but first you have to take the spelling of hen. Let me find out. Here is spellings of hen. So you have to write H-E-N, hen. Next we have an animal and it's a lion. So now let's turn page 7. Here we have spellings of lion. Now I am going to write spelling of lion over here. L-I-O-N. Okay, next we have an insect and it's called butterfly. So first you have to take the butterfly on page number 7 here, and now you have to write spelling of butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Next we have an animal and it's a frog. You have to write frog under this picture, but first you have to tick on page number 7. Here is frog and write down spelling of frog, F-R-O-G. Now on page number 9 we have another picture and it's an animal, a water animal. It's a fish. So you have to write fish under this picture. F-I-S-H, and then you have to take the word fish. Next we have a bird, and it's a parrot. So you have to write parrot over here, P-A-R-R-O-T, and you have to take word parrot on page 7. Second last we have an animal, and it's called penguin. You have to write spelling of penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, and you have to tick on page number 7 word penguin. And the last one we have children. We have children. Now you have to write spelling of children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, and you have to tick the word children on page number 7 over here. Now I think this is enough for today. Thank you so much my dear students. Allah Hafiz.